Equipment managers are more important today to the golf course industry than ever before.
Their jobs are critical to our success. And I relayed this to our board of directors at GCSAA when I started on the board. And we began at that point to develop a plan going forward to somehow incorporate their talents.
The equipment manager here is critical mass, so he knows what I want, and then it's up to him to make the machinery do it. Without him, we're dead in the water. If it doesn't move, we don't cut. If it doesn't cut well, then we have to fertilize more, spray more, water more. So his role is next to mine, the most critical from my perspective.
It's important for equipment managers to keep up with continuing education.
Well, I think everything's changing. I think there's more technology coming into the industry, so I think it's critical that he stays abreast of that technology. And to have him just read about it, that's not fair. So you need to take him to the shows so he can be exposed, he can go to classes, and be on leading edge, just like we are.
The more proficient they are at understanding the machinery, it means less downtime, it means a little more longevity for how long that piece of machinery is going to last. And obviously, continuing education in all aspects is important.
They began to understand better what they do and why they do it. And what didn't become a complaint when we aerified greens and sanded greens, why we had to put that down. It just made the bed knives dull and we couldn't mow, and we heard all kinds of things. Once they started to understand what we do scientifically and why we do it, it was a little easier on them.
GCSAA has opened up membership to equipment managers, and the benefits are endless.
I think it makes perfect sense, and it gives an opportunity for the technician to go to the national, to be able to see some of the machinery firsthand, to be able to talk to some of the manufacturers reps, some of the engineers.
By educating them and keeping them informed, they help to make us more efficient at what we do. So they have become better managers. They've become a better part of our operation, more of a team leader. So we depend on them, whether we want to admit that or not. We depend on them to keep us looking good day to day.
So they know way more than we give them credit for. And if you want to be successful, start listening to your equipment manager. Make your job easier.
For more information, contact GCSAA Member Services.